Hello everyone. Transfer your backyard on a budget. Discover easy diet tips and the low cost ideas to kickstart your dream backyard revolutions today. Welcome to our video on a budget friendly backyard revolutions and how to get started. Today we will share the tips and planning a low cost backyard revolutions using a die craft and transformations. First of all, you must be planning your backyard revolutions is a key to achieving your desired result within your budgets. Start by setting a clear budget that outline how much you can afford to spend on a material, labor, and any additional feature like a plants or furnitures. Next, create a designs plan that includes your ideal layout, features, and aesthetic preference. Gather inspirations from the magazines, online resources, or even your neighborhood to refine your visions. You can see that. And finally, consider the practical aspects such as maintenance requirements and any local regulations that may affect your plan. A well thought out plan with a streamlined to revolutions process and ensure you stay on a track with your budget and the timeline. Next step is how backyard revolution step focus on a simple and effective way to transform your backyard that save your money. Incorporate the personalized touches with the handmade gardens, decorations, or die lightings fixtures for a unique look. You can utilize the budget friendly in landscaping ideas such as planning low maintenance plants and creating a defined gardens beds using inexpensive materials like gravel or mulches. These tips not only enhance your backyard aesthetic appeals but also make it a comfortable and inviting space for gathering and relaxations. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more budget friendly and revolutions ideas and share your backyard revolutions tips in the comments below. Want to add the pool or the gardens? There are affordable options for adding a pool or a garden makeover. You can easily make your backyard in a relaxing retreat. Die revolutions projects you can also install at your home and backyards. To finally try some easy die projects, you can see that here and there's different plants and different privacy plates also includes, and patios, lightings, and sofa is also includes that enhance the beauty of your backyards, and you can enjoy the evening with a sitting and cup of tea with your friends and your family members. You can see that different tables, sofas, and the colorful plants, and in the center of your sofa tables the fire pit you can also include, and here and there's plants, very amazing look. Finally, try some easy dry projects. Build a simple deck, create the garden beds, and install the lighting. These die renovations projects can transform your backyard. And thank you for watching.